Hello friends, welcome to my channel Digital Wave. Today in this tutorial of Artificial Intelligence MCQs, we will discuss some different types of objective type questions and their answer. So this is our part 2. If you want to see the part 1, then you can go in the description box. We have already given the link of part 1. So let's start. First question is, what is artificial intelligence? So first option available here, when robot take over the world. Second option, ability of a program or machine to think and learn. Third option, ability of a program or machine to depend on human. And the last option is none of the above. So answer will be ability of a program or machine to think and learn. Next question is, best example of AI in use. First option available here, self-driving car. Second option is paperboard. Third option is image capture. Last option is none. So right answer will be self-driving car. Next question is, playing chess is a task that requires. First option available here, food. Second option is intelligence. Third option is pen. So right answer will be intelligence. Next option is the first step of data exercise in AI. So first option available here, data sorting. Second option is data analysis. Third option is data collection, and the last one is result. So right answer will be data collection. Next question is, should AI be left unsupervised by humans while on the job? So we have to show this statement is true or not. So the answer will be no. Next question is, translate the following statement into FOL. For every A, if A is a philosopher, then A is a scholar. So options available here. So this symbol name is universal quantification. Okay, so universal quantification, a philosopher bracket mein A and scholar A. And the second option available here, this symbol is also called as existential quantification. So existential quantification, a philosopher or scholar A. Third option is all of the mentioned, and the last option is none of the mentioned. So right answer will be A. Next question is, set of algorithms modeled loosely after the human brain that are designed to recognize patterns. So first option available here, robot calculator, artificial brain network, and third option is neuron, and the last option is neural network. So right answer will be neural network. Next question is, what are the main challenges for ethical AI? First option available here, explainability, reproducibility, and universality. Second option is explainability, reproducibility, continuous learning and regularization. Third option available here, reproducibility, reinforcement learning, high accuracy, and black box model design. And the last option is be trending on Twitter. So right answer will be B. Explainability, reproducibility, continuous learning and regularization is the main challenge for ethical AI. Next question is, logical intelligence belongs to. First option available here, shy and introvert. Second option is public speaker. Third option is nature lover, and the last option is solving maths problem analysis. So right answer will be solving maths problem analysis. Next question is, if a hypothesis says it should be positive but in fact it is negative, we call it. First option available here, a consistent hypothesis. Second option is a false negative hypothesis. Third option is a false positive hypothesis, and the last one is a specialized hypothesis. So right answer will be a false positive hypothesis. Next question is, which is true for decision theory? First option is decision theory equal to probability theory plus utility theory. Second option is decision theory equal to inference theory plus utility theory. Third option is decision theory equal to uncertainty plus utility theory. Fourth option is decision theory equal to probability theory plus preference. So right answer will be C, decision theory equal to uncertainty plus utility theory. Next question is a constructive approach in which no commitment is made unless it is necessary to do so is first option available here, least commitment approach. Second option is most commitment approach. Third option is non-linear planning, and last option available here, opportunistic planning. So right answer will be least commitment approach. Next question is what is the form of fuzzy logic? So first option available here, two valued logic. Second option available here, crisp set logic. Third option is many valued logic. Last option available here, binary set of logic. So right answer will be many valued logic. Next question is the truth values of traditional set theory is and that of fuzzy set is. So first option available here, either 0 or 1, between 0 and 1. Second option is between 0 and 1 or either 0 or 1. Third option is between 0 and 1, comma, between 0 and 1. And the last option is either 0 or 1, either 0 or 1. So right answer will be A, either 0 or 1, comma, between 0 and 1. Next question is the room temperature is hot. Here the hot can be represented by fuzzy set. Second option is crisp set. Third option is fuzzy and crisp set, and the last one is none of the mentioned. So right answer will be fuzzy set. Next question is the values of the set membership is represented by first option available here, discrete set. Second option available here, degree of truth. Third option is probabilities, and the last option is both degree of truth and probabilities. So right answer will be degree of truth. So next question is fuzzy set theory defines fuzzy operators. Choose the fuzzy operators from the following. So first option available here, and second is or, third is not, and last one is all of the mentioned. So right answer will be D, all of the mentioned. Next question is there are also other operators more linguistic in nature called that can be applied to fuzzy set theory. So first option is hedge, second option is lingual variable, third option is fudge variable, and the last option is none of the mentioned. So right answer will be hedges. Next question is fuzzy logic is usually represented as first option is if then else rule, second option is if then rules, last option is both if then else and if then rules, and last option is none of the mentioned. So right answer will be if then else, if then rules. Next question is blank area is oblique are the ways to represent uncertainty. So first option available here, fuzzy logic. Second option is probability. Third option is entropy, and the last one is the all of the mentioned. So right answer will be all of the mentioned. Next question is blank area are algorithms that learn from their more complex environments to generalize, approximate and simplify solution logic. So first option available here, fuzzy relational DB. Second option is algorithms. Third option is fuzzy set, and the last one is none of the mentioned. So right answer will be fuzzy set. Next question is how many terms are required for building a Bayes model? First option is 1, second is 2, third is 3, and the last option is 4. So right answer will be C, 3. Next question is what is needed to make probabilistic system feasible in the world? So first option is reliability, second option is crucial robustness, third option is feasibility, and the last option is none of the mentioned. So right answer will be B, crucial robustness. Next question is, where does the Bayes rule can be used? So first option available here, solving queries. Second option is increasing complexity. Third option is decreasing complexity, and the last option is answering probabilistic queries. So right answer will be D, answering probabilistic queries. Next question is, what does the Bayesian network provides? So first option is complete description of the domain. Second option is partial description of the domain, and the third option is complete description of the problem, and the last one is none of the mentioned. So right answer will be complete description of the domain. Next question is, how the entries in the full joint probability distribution can be calculated? So first option is using variables. Second option is using information. Third option is both using variables and information, and the last option is none of the mentioned. So right answer will be using information. Next question is, how the Bayesian network can be used to answer any query? So first option is full distribution, second is joint distribution, third option is partial distribution, and the last option is all of the mentioned. So answer will be joint distribution. Next question is, how the compactness of the Bayesian network can be described? So first option available here, locally structured. Second option is fully structured. Third option is partially structured, and the last one is all of the mentioned. So right answer will be locally structured. Next question is, to which does the local structure is associated? So first option is hybrid, second one is dependent, third option is linear, and the last option is none of the mentioned. So right answer will be linear. Next question is, which condition is used to influence a variable directly by all the others? So first option available here, partially connected. Second one is fully connected. Third one is locally connected, and the last one is none of the mentioned. So right answer will be fully connected. Next question is, what is the consequences between a node and its predecessors while creating Bayesian network? So first option available here, functionality dependent. Second option is dependent. Third option is conditionally independent, and the last option is both conditionally dependent and dependent. So right answer will be conditionally independent. Next question is, what is perceptron? So options are available here. First option is a single layer feed forward neural network with pre-processing. Second option is an auto-associative neural network. Third option is a double layer auto-associative neural network, and the last option is a neural network that contain feedback. So right answer will be A, a single layer feed forward neural network with pre-processing. So next question is, what is an auto-associative network? So first option is a neural network that contains no loops. Second option is a neural network that contain feedback, and third option is a neural network that has only one loop, and the last option is a single layer feed forward neural network with pre-processing. So right answer will be B, a neural network that contain feedback. Next question is, a 4 input neuron has weight 1, 2, 3 and 4. The transfer function is linear with the constant of proportionality being equal to 2. The inputs are 4, 10, 5 and 20 respectively. What will be the output? So first option available here, 238. Second option is 76. Third option is 119, and the last option is 123. So right answer will be 238. Next question is, which of the following is true? So first is, on average neural network have higher computational rates. than conventional computers. Second option is neural network learn by example, and third option is neural network mimic the way the human brain works. So first option is all of the mentioned are true, second option is second and 1 are true, and the third option is 1, 2 and 3 are true, and D is none of the mentioned. So right answer will be all of the mentioned are true. Next question is which of the following is true for neural network? The training time depends on the size of network. Neural network can be simulated on a conventional computer. Artificial neurons are identical in operations to biological ones. So options available here, all of the mentioned. Second one is second is true, third option is first and second are true, and the last one is none of the mentioned. So right answer will be first and second are true. Next question is what are the advantages of neural network over the conventional computers? They have the ability to learn by example, they are more fault tolerance, they are more suited for real-time operations due to their high computational rates. So options available here, first and second are true, next option is first and third are true, third option is only first is true, and last option is all of the mentioned. So right answer will be all of the mentioned. Next question is which of the following is true? So single layer associative neural network do not have the ability to perform pattern recognition. Find the parity of a picture. Third is determine whether two or more shapes in a picture are connected or not. So option 1 is second and third are true, option B is second is true, and option C is all of the mentioned, and the last option is none of the mentioned. So answer will be second and third are true. Next question is which is true for neural network? So first option available here, it has set of nodes and connections. Second option is each node computes its weighted input. Third option is node could be excited state or non-excited state, and the last one is all of the mentioned. So right answer will be all of the mentioned. Next question is a three input neuron is trained to output a 0 when the input is 110 and a 1 when the input is 111. After generalization, the output will be 0 when and only when the input is, first option is 000 or 110 or 011 or 101. Next option is 010 or 100 or 110 or 101. Next option is 000, 010, 110 or 100, and the last one is 100, 111, 101 or 001. So right answer will be C, 000 or 010 or 110 or 100. Next question is why is the XOR problem exceptionally interesting to neural network researchers? So first option is because it can be expressed in a way that allow you to use a neural network. Second option is because it is complex binary operations that cannot be solved using neural networks, and third option is because it can be solved by a single layer perceptron, and the last option is because it is the simplest linearly inseparable problem that exists. So right answer will be D, because it is the simplest linearly inseparable problem that exists. Next question is what is back propagation? So first option is it is another name given to curvy function in the perceptron. Second option is it is the transmission of error back through the network to adjust the inputs, and the third option is it is the transmission of error back through the network to allow weights to be adjusted so that the network can learn, and the last option is none of the mentioned. So right answer will be C. It is the transmission of error back through the network to allow weights to be adjusted so that the network can learn. Next question is, why are linearly separable problems of interest of neural network researchers? First option is because they are only class of problem that network can solve successfully. Second option is because they are the only class of problem that perceptron can solve successfully. Third option is because they are the only mathematical function that are continue. And the last option is because they are the only mathematical functions you can draw. So right answer will be because they are the only class of problem that perceptron can solve successfully. Next question is, which of the following is not the promise of artificial neural network? So options are available here. It can explain results. Second option is it can survive the failure of some nodes. Third option is it has inherent parallelism. Third and the last option is it can handle noise. So right answer will be it can explain result. Next question is, neural network are complex with many parameters. First option available here, linear functions. Second is non-linear functions. Third is discrete function, and the last one is exponential function. So right answer will be linear functions. Next question is, a perceptron add up all the weighted inputs it received, and if it exceeds a certain value it outputs 1, otherwise it just output a 0. So options available here, first is true, second is false, third is sometime it can also output intermediate values as well, and the last one is cannot say. So right answer will be true. Next question is, what is the name of function in the following statement? A perceptron adds up all the weighted input it received, and if it exceeds a certain value it output a 1, otherwise it just output a 0. So options available here, step function, second one is heaviside function, third one is logistic function, and the last option is perceptron function. So right answer will be heaviside function. Next question is, what is a cybernetics? So options available here, study of communication between two machines. Second option is study of communication between human and machine. Third option is study of communication between two humans, and the last option is study of Boolean values. So right answer will be study of communication between human and machine. Next question is, what is the goal of artificial intelligence? So first option available here, to solve real world problems. Second option is to solve artificial problem. Third option is to explain various sorts of intelligence, and the last option is to extract scientific causes. So right answer will be to explain various sort of intelligence. Next question is, an algorithm is complete if it terminates with a solution when one exists. Second option is it start with a solution. Third option is it does not terminate with a solution, and the fourth option is it has a loop. So right answer will be it terminate with a solution when one exists. Next question is, what is a heuristic function? So first option is a function to solve mathematical problem. Second option is a function which takes parameters of type string and returns an integer value. A function whose return type is nothing. A function that maps from problem state description to measure of desirability. So right answer will be D. Next question is, the traveling salesman problem involve n cities with path connecting the cities. The time taken for traversing through all the cities without knowing in advance of the length of minimum tour is, first option is ON, second option is ON2, third option is ON1, and the last option is ON by 2. So right answer will be ON1. Next question is, what is the problem space of means and analysis? So First option available here, an initial state and one or more goal states. Second option is one or more initial states and one goal state. Third option is one or more initial states and one or more goal state. Fourth option is one initial state and one goal state. So right answer will be an initial state and one or more goal state. Next question is, an expert system differs from a database program in that only an expert system. First option available here, contains declarative knowledge. Second option is contains procedural knowledge. Third option is features the retrieval of stored information. And the fourth option is expects user to draw their own conclusions. So right answer will be contains procedural knowledge. So this is how we have completed 50 MCQs of artificial intelligence. So on our channel you can find some tutorials also. Okay, so some office tutorials are also there and some tech videos are also there, and in the some technical subjects, programming in C, artificial intelligence and object oriented concepts in Java tutorials are also available. And if you gain some knowledge from this video tutorial, then please like and share this video. And if you want more video like this, then you can write in comment section on which subject you want these objective type questions and answer with explanation. We are also available on Facebook, so you can redirect to our Facebook page by clicking on the link that is given in the description box. Okay, so please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.